if I told you.
A video about my wig. It's a Pixie cut, and a lot of people have been asking me to make a video about it. So, I mean, a lot of people have been asking me a question about it, so I'm making a video about it. So, yeah, let's get started. So, this is how I put it on. Just pop on the wig like this. And, you know, just play with it and, like, fix it how you want it to be. Don't really have to do much with it. It looks a little crazy right now. Let's put it on my comb. Alright, so here we go. I'm just gonna part it where I want it to like lay. You know, just play around with it, like put it the way you want it. Sometimes I put this thing under my ear, but today I think I want to put it like this to emphasize my contour because it looks bomb. And you know, I like to push this up like this, give some volume over here, and you know, just play with it. And that's pretty much it, to be honest. That's why it's a wig. So when I'm rushing, I just throw it on, because y'all know I'm late all the time. Like, to look bomb, whatever. So this is it, pretty much. Don't really have to do nothing with it. This is the back. Simple. So yeah, and this wig is 100% human hair. No, just trying to fix it. You want it to be. I'm actually gonna move it more to the side like this, and then like to have this little part like on my contour like this, little swirl, and I think I want this to be like, oh, it's not looking like how I want it to look. Just push this up like this. Okay, it's more like it. This little spot here, and that's pretty much it. You know, just and that's it. Maybe you should gel. You could put some gel on your little edges over here. Not putting any on mine just because I'm feeling lazy. That's pretty much it. So I just throw it on real quick and just go out, you know. I really like this wig. I think it looks good on me. It's something different, and I know it's like it's cold outside, so it's like this is more for the summertime, but I don't really care, to be honest. I'm just gonna rock it anyways, and I guess I'll wear it more in the summertime. I only wear it if I'm like going out like with my friends or something. Yeah, I don't wear it like on a regular basis. So that's pretty much it. So now for the facts about this wig. I actually got this online. I think I got it from a website called Sam's Beauty. I think I'll put the link down below, and they have like different ones. This one you can get the front in like different colors, but I like this color, the all black, and this color is actually a 1B, and this is the package that it came in, and this is the Bob collection wig. This is the Sensational. You can see it here, and it is, like I said, it's pre-bumped and it's 100% human hair. So if you guys want to get this, because I know some of you guys were asking me questions about it, I'm gonna put the link down below. You know, just check it out and you know, just get it. And it's really affordable. Like, I didn't even pay $20 for this, so you know. So yeah, this is a pretty short video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yeah, so rock on, you know.